Hi guys, have you missed me? Because I have. On today's video, we're gonna bake a cake. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients, but before I show you the ingredients, if you like this type of content, like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. If you comment, I'll definitely do more of this content. Yeah. So, sorry for the mess. Cooking cake is a mess. So we have 3 eggs, margarine, what is it called, baking powder, sieved unga ya ngano, and these two are icing sugars. Icing sugar is preferred than normal sugar because it easily dissolves. Yeah. And here is our milk. I forgot that we also need mchanga because we are baking using a Jiko. So this is actually my first time baking cake. So I have seen it being baked, but not that much. But yeah. So for references, my laptop is here to guide me. Yeah. So I'm gonna start by smearing the margarine on the sufuria. So I'll use this paper because I have no serviette. So you just smear it so that the cake may not touch. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put unga over here and then shake the unga so that the cake does not shikilia. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my wet ingredients, and I'm gonna start with margarine and then the icing sugar next. So I'm gonna whip this. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add my 3 eggs and whip that up. So you're supposed to mix it till it has no big ballers things. Yeah, so I'm using a fork because it's easier. So I'm using a fork, guys, to mix it so that it may be easier. Yeah. So I'm gonna add milk, 2 cups. Yeah. Actually yangu ifiki hata 2, ni 1.25. Yeah. So my mixture has become watery. So I'm just mixing it to make sure the wet ingredients are all mixed, and then put the dry ingredients. So guys, I've added baking powder and I'm mixing it. You can see it has those balls. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna add flour, and I'm making sure I don't add too much flour. So yeah. Yeah, so you want your mixture to be so light, but not so light but not too light, because if your mixture is so hard it won't be moist, and if your mixture is so light haitaiva huko ndani. Yeah, so and then you must have the bubbles. Yeah. So I'm done pouring the mixture into a sufuria. You must make sure that you have space ya ikipanda, and then you should make it sit down. Yeah.
Lord, who may dwell in your sacred tent.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Lord, who may live in your holy mountain, the one who...
How does it feel? Is it It's not. Mbona utafanya nisikupikie keki? Baby, naonjaje? Niko sawa? Umeipenda? Hadi unalamba sahani?
Ooh.